So now we go right, exit number 3.
Yep, so
mirror signal right.
Yep.
And we stay in the right lane.
Mm-hmm.
And we look for opportunity now.
Yep. Oh, wait.
Yes.
Yep.
There you go. And count the exit.
Got exit number 1.
We're going 3, yeah?
Yep. 2.
Yes. And
And
then
now mirror signal.
and all the way to the left side. Job done. See?
Yep.
All the line. It's all about the steps, isn't
Yep.
it? Yeah? Good, beautiful. Okay, so what we're gonna do, there is the school.
Yep.
We will go towards the school first,
Okay.
right? Coming up, left. Then we're gonna turn around and come back again to do the exit number 3 again, okay?
Okay.
Yep. Okay, so here, Abdul, you can see the roundabout. Turn left first exit, okay?
Yep.
That's the one, yeah? Thank you. Okay. So look your speed. Save and then turn slowly. There you go. Yeah.
Yep.
Beautiful. Okay, so now just pull onto the left here, please. Good. Now we're going to be going right third exit. What do we need to do now?
So signal to the right.
Good. So change your lane.
Yep.
Then when you finish signal, beautiful. So now this roundabout, when we get closer, we will be go exit number 3 to the right hand side. Yes.
Yep.
So when you get closer, tell me what's the first thing you're gonna do.
So right now I'm gonna check my mirrors. Signal to the right.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna slow all the way down.
Beautiful. What sort of speed you're gonna approach?
You want to come around to 10, 15.
Beautiful. Good.
Slow it down, and then look at the cars coming from the right.
Is it safe now?
Yep.
Good. Beautiful. Now you're gonna count the exit.
Yep. So exit
So we're going exit
number
number 3. Okay. Good.
Exit number 2.
Okay. And then what you need to do now?
Exit number 3. So mirror, signal, and then off.
There you go.
Yes.
And how's that?
Absolutely perfect. I think that was the best one.
Absolutely. Yeah.
That's so
Good.
fun.
Good. So if anybody else, Abdul,
Yep.
dealing with a roundabout or learning to drive,
Yep.
if you give them one piece of advice, what would advice would be?
It would be slow down and control your speed.
That's good.
Yeah, that's
Good.
the main thing. Control your speed
Absolutely.
and just be slow.
Right.
And then that will let you.
Absolutely. What is the benefit of slowing down on the approach and control the speed? What would be the benefit?
It lets you, number one, make a decision. Gives you enough time to make a decision.
Yep.
And position yourself to the right place you want to be.
Absolutely. And what would be the disadvantage if you don't slow down?
You won't have enough time to make a decision.
Absolutely.
And you'll be coming too fast, and if there's a car coming around, it's not. It's going to be a big problem.
Absolutely. Okay, thank you. God bless you. If I was learning, I would definitely listen to you, mate. You're a good instructor. We're going left, please.
Yes, sir.
Good. Well done. I like the way you slow. See, you give you time to see who's coming. You see?
Yep. See,
So-
don't even go here.
There you go. So the white car coming. Safe. There you go. See?
Yeah.
So if we didn't slow down, do they have time?
Nope.
Absolutely not.
No.